Hello and welcome to Ask A Web Geek. My name is CJ Gilbert, and you're joining us for episode 34 of Ask A Web Geek. So glad that you've come along. My name is CJ Gilbert, and I'm the Web Safari Guide. What does that mean? It means I help people through the internet, the jungle of the internet. I help business owners with their websites, their marketing, and all the amazing tools that we have at our disposal. I've got a lot of great stuff to share with you today, so let's jump right in. But first, I want to introduce to you our featured animal of the week. And I don't know about you, but this week I feel like I'm moving just a little bit slower. I've been working extra hard in the jungle for my clients, leading people through. I'm leading more expeditions through the jungle now than ever before. And I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling a little fatigued in the morning, right? So maybe that's you. Maybe you're physically tired. Maybe you're mentally or emotionally tired. There's a lot of that going around right now. So I want to encourage you to be patient with yourself this week. And I want you to remember the tortoise in our jungle. He moves pretty slow, but you know what? He gets everywhere he needs to go, and he does it one step at a time. So this week as you're moving through your jungle, I just want you to remember the tortoise, and I want you to remember to take the step one step at a time, and it's okay to move slowly. When you're in tortoise mode, it's okay. Sometimes you need to take one step at a time and retreat into your shell and rest. Take another step or two or three or four and plod along and then rest. So this week I want you to remember it's okay to take it slow. It's okay to take care of yourself, rest as you go, and still keep moving forward. So that's my highest encouragement for you this week. Keep moving forward in your jungle. Be encouraged. Be encouraged. It's okay to move slow. It's okay to take one step at a time. Progress is progress. Am I right? All right, let's find my slideshow. I'm going to kick off the hat. We're going to get right into it because it is now time to jump into the show. It's time to Ask a Web Geek. Ask a Web Geek is an almost weekly show with CJ Gilbert where you can ask a web geek any questions that you have about websites, technology, or more. Okay, let's look at all these again. There's my slides. There's my slides and me. On this slide, very important information. And then we got the big slide, big cam. We got the browser, askawebgeek.com. We got the browser and the CJ, askawebgeek.com. Okay, I think that's good. Please subscribe on YouTube. Boom. Roar. And then we're going to fly over here. We're going to click this blue button, subscribe on YouTube by using the blue button on the Ask a Web Geek website, or you can just go immediately to youtube.askawebgeek.com. That's the shortcut link I've set up for it. The internet's a jungle. Roar. One step at a time. One step at a time. Slow steps are okay. Slow steps. See you next time.